At TR Italy's Umbria facility, a powerful step towards sustainability has just been completed. In January 2024, we closed the galvanic plant, improving air quality, cutting water and energy use, and reducing chemical waste to zero. Step by step, progress has continued. Replacing lamps with LEDs, installing inverter motors, switching from methane heating to efficient heat pumps, recycling oil for reuse in production, and adopting washable cloths to cut waste. Today, 70% of our raw materials come from green steel, produced in the EU with arc furnaces, recycling waste from cold metal stamping, and significantly reducing carbon emissions. But our biggest milestone has been solar energy. The project, made possible through the proactive partnership between Trifast and Inveco, now powers the facility with an impressive solar panel system generating 1.4 gigawatt-hours per year, reinforcing TR's commitment to sustainability.
We start up the solar panel system that we have here on the roof of all the production department. Another step upgrade the new solar panels plant that we have installed in rear the production.
We currently generate 40% of the energy we use. And for the remaining 60%, we are working on sourcing it entirely from certified green energy, produced from renewable sources such as photovoltaic and wind power, rather than fossil fuels. At TR, we continue to balance innovation with responsibility. We are proud to lead with purpose, scaling innovation, empowering people, and building a more resilient future.